calls? Well, the first thing is you should call your lender. And a good realtor will have the list of lenders that are licensed in the United States Virgin Islands, and they would say, you know what, here's a list, interview the lender that you like to work with. And maybe we can do a second part of this to say what questions you should be asking your lender and what questions you should be asking your realtor. So we ask the buyer, prospective buyer, to please get pre-approved. Know how much money how much house you're shopping for. You may be qualified for 100, you may be qualified for 1,000,000. We need to know the middle, where it is that you're at and what you would like to buy. The number one thing. You've made a decision that you want to own property. You've made a decision. Now you connect with a realtor and start getting into finding out how much property you can purchase. And what you may want to purchase, you may be qualified for $1,000,000, but really I only want to spend $300,000. That is something that you have to determine, and a realtor, a licensed realtor, a RE/MAX agent can help you do that.
That's awesome. I think that when I get a lot of phone calls coming in, people don't quite understand what it means to be pre-approved, or that's a new term for them. So I'm really glad that you touched on that subject.
And when you go to the bank, they'll what it means by qualify you to say that, you know what, you're working, they do a preliminary. They will not hit your credit until you've submitted your application to them and so forth. It is best because the market now it's very active. Sometimes a home come on the market and there are 5 or 10 qualified buyers or cash buyers already waiting on the line to purchase. So it is best to know, again, how much money you are qualified for, so when that right house come on board, you're ready to execute.
Yes.